Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox the back cover case for Samsung M31. I have bought this through the brand called Golden Sand from Amazon. A closer view of the box. It tells you that the back cover gives you high protection, impact resistant, firm grip, feather light and raised lips. It also tells it gives you rugged, lightweight, full protection. A closer view of the back cover. The cover seems to give you firm grip at all the edges and the cover is very lightweight. It gives you that premium look. I am very satisfied with this back cover. So if you wish to buy this, I will leave the link in the description box. This product retails for about 499 rupees. Although the price seems to be a little expensive, the quality of this back cover is amazing. And I must tell you, this back cover will protect your Samsung M31.